Here is the coil pack from my 2002 SATURN VUE with the Opal 3-liter V6 engine in it. And it was giving me misfires on cylinder number 3. And the reason was because of that crack right there. That crack on that side, and another crack on the other side. And it would like to misfire at about 60 miles per hour going down the highway. At that speed you want to cruise at all the time. That's where it would misfire. Very annoying. And it was fixed by replacing these coil packs. My engine had about 180,000 miles on it at the time it started to misfire. So I replaced the spark plugs and the coil packs and the camshaft cover gaskets and the timing belt, which I did myself without tools, and I do not recommend that. I recommend that if you want to do it yourself, you go get the well, it's not expensive anymore, go get the correct tool set to hold your camshafts in position. This is my 2002 SATURN VUE. I've had this car for many years. Done a lot of work to it. Just, maintenance stuff that it needed. So I put this cold air system on it that I designed about a year ago. And I've been driving it around now. And it puts the K&N air filter in front of the firewall, so it pulls cold air. Short turn and goes right into the intake manifold. This is the 3-liter Opal engine. It's also used in the Cadillac Catera. It's used in one other SATURN model, and it's used in the SAAB 9000 and the SAAB 9000 Turbo. And I'm pretty happy with the way the engine performs with this cold air kit on it. Actually does really well. Here's another look at it. It's easy to access with the headlight out. It only takes a few minutes to pull the headlight. And there it is.